Stop saying very sad if you want to sound professional. It's basic and it's holding you back. In business, precision is everything, especially in the European market. Let's fix your vocabulary in 10 seconds. Instead of saying very sad about a missed deal, say disappointed. We were disappointed the partnership didn't move forward. When you want to show empathy, use concerned. For example, I'm deeply concerned with the company's decision about the new staff. For an unfortunate setback in international partnerships, use regrettable. For example, it's regrettable we have to postpone the launch. And when you are discouraged for a major loss, use devastated. Which word was new for you? Comment below and subscribe for more 10 seconds English fixes. See you.